In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete an account on RCG Markets. Now, the first thing I must tell you is that in here, once you're inside your dashboard, there's actually no way and there's no setting which could actually delete your account yourself, okay? So if you go to trading accounts, you'll be able to see them over here. There's no option to actually delete this anywhere. You can do it under my account. There's no way whatsoever. So the only way to actually get your account deleted, especially these trading accounts here, you could go ahead, open the chat box at the bottom right, click on chat with us, and then here it's going to say, hello there, need help, reach out to us right here, and they'll basically get back to you as soon as they can. So just type in, hello, how can I delete my account, or I would like to delete or close my account, and then of course you could add in the account number as well, which is this number over here, so they actually do know which account you are referencing, and then hopefully they'll get back to you quickly and you'll be able to get your account closed. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.